Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage SEO strategies with a SEMrush detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on SEMrush if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Projects section to start a new project for your website. Enter your domain name and project name, then click on Create Project. Next, set up Site Audit by selecting the appropriate settings for your site. Choose the crawl scope and schedule, then initiate the audit. Once the audit is complete, review the results for technical SEO issues. Pay attention to errors and warnings that need immediate attention. Now, explore the keyword research tool to identify relevant keywords for your niche. Input a seed keyword and analyze the keyword suggestions provided by SEMrush. Filter the results by search volume, difficulty, and intent to find the best keywords. Next, utilize the position tracking feature to monitor keyword rankings over time. Add your target keywords and target location to track performance accurately. Every week, check the rankings and adjust your SEO strategies accordingly. Moving on, navigate to the SEO Content Template tool for content optimization. Enter your target keywords and select the location for localized results. Analyze the suggestions for recommended terms and readability scores. Incorporate these insights into your content creation process. Next, utilize the Backlink Analytics tool to assess your site's backlink profile. Enter your domain to view referring domains and the overall authority score. Identify potential link building opportunities by analyzing competitor backlinks. Create a strategy for acquiring high-quality backlinks to improve authority. Now, use the on-page SEO checker to evaluate specific pages on your site. Input the URL and receive actionable recommendations for on-page optimization. Implement the suggested changes and monitor their impact on rankings. Continuously leverage the social media toolkit to promote your content. Schedule posts and track engagement metrics to enhance visibility. Finally, regularly review analytics through the Traffic Analytics tool. Monitor organic search traffic and adjust your strategies based on performance trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.